If you're wondering whether VidAI is worth your time, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software that promises to revolutionize how you create video content. Stick around till the end because you'll want to know about the exclusive features that make VidAI stand out and how you can try it for free today through the link below. VidAI is a new tool that's designed to help creators, marketers, and businesses produce high-quality videos quickly using artificial intelligence. From script writing to video editing, VidAI promises to take care of the heavy lifting so you can focus on being creative. One of the first things you'll notice about VidAI is its simplicity. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. You start by choosing a template or uploading your content, and the software does the rest. It offers features like automated voiceovers, dynamic scene transitions, and even auto-generated captions. What really sets it apart is its ability to generate professional-looking videos from just a few simple inputs. It's perfect for people who need to crank out content fast, whether for social media, YouTube, or marketing campaigns. But the real magic of VidAI lies in its AI-driven video editing. Unlike other software where you have to manually adjust everything, VidAI's editing system uses machine learning to optimize cuts, pacing, and effects. It adapts to your style over time, making your video editing process more efficient and personalized. This is especially useful for content creators who don't have the luxury of spending hours on fine-tuning each video. Now let's talk about how VidAI can save you money. Traditional video production can be expensive, especially when you hire a team of editors, voiceover artists, and graphic designers. With VidAI, you get all of this in one package, making it incredibly cost-effective for small businesses and independent creators. If you're serious about scaling your content production without breaking the bank, VidAI might be the game changer you've been looking for. Another standout feature of VidAI is its scalability. Whether you're making a 1-minute Instagram reel or a full-length YouTube video, VidAI adjusts to your needs. Its cloud-based infrastructure ensures you can work from anywhere, on any device, and access your projects seamlessly. If you're a digital marketer juggling multiple campaigns, this flexibility is crucial. Let's not forget VidAI's SEO-friendly tools. As a digital marketer, I know how important it is to ensure your videos reach the right audience. VidAI offers optimization features like auto-generated keywords and metadata, making it easier for your content to show up in search results. Whether you're promoting a product or sharing information, these built-in SEO features give your videos a fighting chance in crowded online spaces. And while VidAI is powerful, it's not perfect for every use case. If you're looking for highly intricate Hollywood-level video effects, you might need something more specialized. But for 90% of digital marketers and creators looking to generate polished videos quickly and cost-effectively, VidAI hits the mark. Finally, VidAI isn't just a tool, it's an ongoing service. The team behind the software constantly rolls out updates, adding new features and improving existing ones. This ensures you're always on top of the latest trends in video production. And since it's cloud-based, these updates are delivered automatically, meaning you don't have to worry about manual installations or delays. Before we wrap up, remember, you can try VidAI completely free from the first link below. I've personally tested countless AI tools, and after seeing the performance of VidAI, it's made my list of recommended AI software. If you're interested in streamlining your video creation process, this is one to check out. In the description, you'll find a list of my top AI software recommendations that you can try for free. With all the options out there, VidAI stands out as a solid choice for anyone serious about improving their video content creation without the need for heavy investments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore the links for more free AI tools that can supercharge your workflow.